Hello all, in this video I'm going to describe about how to create descriptive type test using TestMouse. Before that, kindly subscribe the channel to receive upcoming videos on online teaching tools to enhance virtual classroom communication between teachers and students. TestMouse is an online tool that allows you to create auto-graded test and quiz. Each test has been created with a unique ID. That ID can be used to edit the test as well as which is used to share with others. TestMouse also provides detailed reports so that teachers can analyze students' scores and their responses too. Let me see how to create test using TestMouse. You can find the testmouse.com homepage. Here you can able to find build a test. Just select the build a test. It will open a page to create test. Here you will find the option to create the test. You can type the test name here. I am typing test name as chapter 1 and password is 123. Retype the password 123. Just create test. So it will open the home page of test. Here you find the test ID. You all know this ID because if you forget this ID, you don't have any option to retain this ID once again. So kindly note this ID in your page. So you can find the chapter 1 dashboard settings, questions and publish result. So now we are in dashboard. These are the options available in the dashboard: adjust settings, add questions, publish and distribute, view result. So options available in the dashboard. Let me see how to adjust our test page by using this setting option. Here is the test name. I have chosen test name as chapter 1, and if you want to describe about your test, you just type the text message, and here you have options to choose the theme of your test, that background of the test color. I am choosing this one, and choose the language for the TestMouse students interface. As here you can find the options to select the language. I am choosing English, and question setting. So here are two options to set our questions, how to display our questions in the page. Show all the test questions on one page, or you have another option, show one question one page per page. So I have chosen first option because I am going to create 5 questions as a descriptive type. So all questions should be displayed in one page. So I am choosing the first option. So here is the randomize the order of the questions during the test. That means each and every time whenever the students are attending the test, so all the time it will randomize the questions, order of the questions. So I have enabled this option. Next one is a review question. Review settings. Here is the conclusion text. So after completing the test, students can able to view the message from the teacher after attending the test. The messages thank you. And the next option is show a custom message if the student get pass or failed. Obviously I'm fixing the mark as a 40% as pass mark. If the students get 40% and above, they will get message as good, and if the students get below 40%, try it next time. So just I'm fixing the messages like this. As you like, you can post the message here. And these are the options. These are paid version. So I'm using free version of TestMouse, so there are some options we cannot able to fix it. Access control obviously we should fix it because here are so many options. I'm choosing second one. Anyone who enters a passcode of my choosing, set the passcode your students will need to enter to the start the test. So whenever I'm passing the test code along with this passcode, whoever getting this test code along with this passcode can able to attend the test. So I'm fixing the passcode as STU. Listen here, this is the case sensitive, so be careful while fixing the passcode. I'm choosing the smaller case as STU as passcode. And next one is how much time do test takers have to complete the test. Here are options available. So I'm choosing 30 minutes because I am going to fix 5 questions as descriptive type, but for that it will take 30 minutes. So I'm fixing time as 30 minutes. And how many times can someone take your test? Only one time. Obviously each student should attend only one time in the test. And then last message is what should test takers enter to identify themselves? This is the first question. So once the student trying to enter by typing test name as well as test code, so they should get the message, this one, enter your name or register number. By this we can able to identify whoever the students, whoever the register number of the students can attended this test. So it is easy to identify, can fix. After doing this, do you want to receive an email whenever someone finishes this test? If you want to enable, you can enable it, or else you can disable it. I'm fixing no. So I don't want, because the more than 50 students going to enter this test, so each and every time I used to get the email message, so I don't want that. So I'm disabling this message by choosing the no option. After doing all these options, just keep save option. So after saving the settings, immediately it will open question portion. So here you can give the questions, so by choosing the insert option. So here I have typed 5 questions. So in the insert box, you can find the insert box. In this you can type the questions by assigning the question number, which is automatically saved in the test modes. So I have assigned 5 questions along with the points. If you want to increase the point, you can use this box. So I have fixed all the questions as default 2 marks, 2 points. So after typing the questions, see here I have typed 5 questions. So after typing the questions, just you want to publish it, no? So by choosing the publish option, you just open it. After typing questions, you can find the publish option. You just click the publish. It will open the page like this. There are so many options. This allows students to take the test. Yes, if you open current status as open, so the students can able to attend the test by using test code 4219298 and passcode as STU. You have to share this test code as well as passcode to your students. Whoever getting this test code and passcode, they will able to attend the test. So that's all. Click to show result. I'm choosing this option to enter the test code. So once if you click, it will display this option. There are 2 options. One is student login, another one is administration login. So just you can type the test code. I'm typing mine. I'm typing register number here 01 on passcode. Just choose student login, choose start, don't stay. So my test has been started. Introduction to multimedia, continue. If the student click continue, the question will be displayed one by one. So define multimedia. Question number 1 of 5, define multimedia. If student is typing messages, answers here, and they are clicking submit. So in this way they can attend. Here or second question displayed. In this way they can attend all the questions. After attending all the questions, they can find submit finally. So after choosing the submit button, they can exit from the test modes. Thank you. In this way, we can engage our students by assigning the descriptive type questions through online. So thank you guys. I request everybody to subscribe the channel to receive upcoming videos. Thank you once again.